Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's John Dexter. This is Dexters of Leicester. We're easy to find on the main Melton Road. I'm going to take this in one take, so apologies if there's any mistakes. But this is for Dave down in Essex. This could be a new car, you could have found it. We're really pleased. We tracked down this Audi S3, the 2016. It is the Quattro. It's the Euro 6. It's got the nearly £8,000 worth of options, or is it £6,000? Over £6,000 worth of options. The leather looks amazing, paintwork's in great condition, alloys and tyres are all in good condition as well, and it really does look good. We've got proximity keys, we've got radar, we've got Bluetooth, we've got media, we've got navigation, and we've got heated seats, and we've got rear camera, so the list goes on and on. So I'll stop waffling and I'll take you through. We've got four Audi visits that are listed in the documents. 4 Audi visits, then we've got 2 more services on top of that, and we're going to do rear brakes, air conditioning service as well, so we'll add them to the folder. But I'll stop waffling and take you through. So here we go. We're going to go through my small prep bay, past the motorbikes. There's the Tesla. That one's probably going to be test driven and snapped up at the weekend. The Evoque's looking good, but there's the S3. Really does look nice. That rear end of that bumper, no major marks or anything on there. If I just pop the bonnet, we've got a really nice boot system. We're going to give that another hoover, but it really does look good. And then in the back there, we've got the spare tyre and the Bang & Olufsen base tube as well. So that's a really nice touch. That was one of the extras in there. Pop the boot down there. There's the reversing camera, which is just tucked away on the side there. Badged S3, all nice and clean. Exhaust pipes look really good as well. Rear parking sensors. There's those alloys on the rear. And down the side there, it looks super. Alloys on this side, absolutely spot on. No major stone chips. There's the radar, tucked away underneath the number plate. No major stone chips, and it really does look nice. No chips on the windscreen. And down the side there, all looks really good. Got the silver mirrors, roof's nice and clear. The paintwork's good on this side. So that does look good, and the inside does not disappoint. Check this out. We've got the Bang & Olufsen speakers built into the door cards there. We've got the folding mirrors, the electric window switches. The leather is spot on. Auto lights, auto wipers, that S3 steering wheel, and the seats with the quilted S3 protection. Looks really good. We've got the black carbon, I think, which is the dashboard. In the centre, the inserts, that's really nice and neat. Both proximity keys, heated seats, navigation's going to pop out, but it really does look good. Roof lining, not any major, it's not been down the tip, put it that way. There's no major marks or anything on there. And those rear seats with the centre armrest and the cup holders do look super. And that passenger seat looks good as well. So we wanted it starting up, so here we go. Let's see if we can get the camera angle, get it right. So proximity key, we've got start on this side, foot on the brake, and then the navigation pops up from there. No lights on, and it really does sound good. We've got drive select, so you can select the driving modes. We can put the dashboard away or the navigation away, turn off the traction control. We've got rear parking sensors, and when we put it into reverse with the door closed, there we get the rear camera, which is all nice and neat. So that's a nice touch. And then the navigation takes you through to the full screen, and then from inside here, it really does sound good. I'm going to open the door because it does sound even better from the outside. We've got heated seats, we've got another button for the power steering, we can turn the auto stop start off, and then we've got electronic handbrake and all of the MMI which is built in there. We've got the cruise control built into the back of the steering column. We've got the paddle for the down the gearbox, up the gearbox on that paddle, but this steering wheel is really nice. So I shall just do it once more outside the car. So all in all, really nice car, well worth popping up to Leicester to have a look. So Dave, you could have found your new car, and if you've got any more questions, just let me know. But it does tick all the boxes and does look amazing. Thanks for looking. Cheers.